Hey, so this is a review that is long overdue. As you can see, I have the Ray-Ban Metas in front of me. These are the Gen 1 Ray-Ban Metas. And I've just gotten to the point where I've grown tired of the lenses that I currently have. These are the transition lenses, and to give you a little backstory, I bought the transition lenses because I assumed that they would get like dark like these in the sun almost immediately, and that's not how they work. It actually takes a little bit of time for them to change. I don't wear glasses, so I didn't really understand how transition lenses worked. And I just find myself wearing these indoors mostly, and they work great, aside from a few sound issues, but that's a different story. But the lenses, yeah, I've just grown tired of the lenses, and I reached out to Apex because they seem to be a leader in the game, and I was like, you know what, let me see what your lenses are about. And they were super friendly and were actually happy to work with me. So they sent me 3 lenses for free so that I can show you how to take them out, and they sent some really nice instructions too to basically show you how to pop them out, because I've never done this before. I'm actually kind of scared to pop these out, but you know, for the cause, I'll go ahead and risk it. But very simple instructions, 3 steps. Pop them out, swap them, rock them. That's pretty cool, pretty funny. So yeah, I'll show you the lenses that I got. The first one, I went with the gold. These are a gold reflective lens, so I went with these first. And I love that they come in these little pouches, so when I do switch out these lenses, I will have these pouches to put the old lenses in, and they also have these bags that come in each pouch. So I think that's pretty cool. It's just the small things that make an experience really worthwhile. All right, and then I have I think these were the royal blue tinted. These are a reflective lens as well. I wanted to get away from the dark lenses and go for more of a reflective look. I think those look really good in the Florida sun, and I'll show some videos of me with them on after I get them swapped out. And then finally, I wanted something that I could still use indoors, and that is why I chose the blue light blocking lenses. And go ahead and pop these out. So I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, these are the blue light blocking lenses. I have some blue light glasses right here, and I don't really see a big difference, but the real test comes when I put them on, and we'll see how they work. I'll use them for a day or so. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna change the transition lenses. I'm going to switch those to the blue light blocking lenses, because I typically wear these indoors. I actually wear these a lot more than I wear these. I wear these usually when I'm driving or I'm outside, which is, you know, common sense. But I'm going to put the reflective lenses in these, and I'm going to put the blue light blocking lenses in these. All right, so let's go ahead, switch the lenses out, and make sure we follow these instructions. So it says to, with the frame facing away, so this way, actually I was already doing it wrong, securely, and you see right now it's flashing. I don't know if you know, but the Ray-Ban Metas have, or the Gen 1s, I don't know about the Gen 2s, but the Gen 1s have a switch right here. So just like that, you see the red light, I just turned them off. So with the glasses facing away, securely press the old lenses near the nose to pop them out. So it's sounding like right here. Bam! Wow. And just like that, they're out. So then we'll do the next one. Oh, that was simple. That was a lot simpler than I thought it would be. All right, so we take those out, and now we have our Ray-Bans with no lenses. Pretty cool. And let's see, to put them in. Oh, so now face the frames, align the apex lens, and snap them in with your thumbs. So now you need to face the frames and the apex lens. I probably shouldn't set them like that, get them scratched up. All right, so now we are going to I'm not sure if those, let me just verify that these are the right size. Okay, yeah, they're the right size. Interesting. I don't know about that one. It says face the frame, align the apex lens, and snap them in using your hands. Let me see, maybe I need to do it from the inside as well. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, this is true. Oh, I got them backwards. Don't mind me. So let me try this. Getting fingerprints all over the lenses. It's part of the process though. Alright, so now interesting process. I'm gonna do them like this. Yeah, that ain't gonna go in. Yeah, this is a tricky process. I think once you do it a few times, you'll feel better about it, but yeah, this is my first time. And knowing how delicate these glasses are. All right, bam, we got the blue lights in. Fingerprints all over them, but we got them. And now let's get the other one in. So definitely put them in facing the glasses. That is a non-negotiable. All right, so we'll get, I think the corner, try to get in the corner in first. No, that didn't work. There we go. I think I figured it out. Bam. All right, that was a lot smoother. See, you get better the more times you do it. So I now have the blue lights in, and I am going to wipe these off real quick. All right, I am back. I did some searching and I found the original Ray-Ban wiper, or whatever it's called. I didn't even know I still had this. All right, get all those crusty, dusty fingerprints off. Yeah, those are in there pretty good. It's a really good fit. They pretty much match the exact fit of the original lenses that came out of the glasses. One thing I do like is they don't have the Ray-Ban sign in there. I thought I would not like that when I originally got them, but now not seeing it in there, I don't really care. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do the other ones real quick and then we'll do some videos with them on. All right, let's see if we can do this one a little bit faster. So remember, when you're taking them out, you need to be away from the glasses. And let's go ahead and turn these off. And then you press on the inside. Now, one thing I do want to be mindful of and definitely be careful. I've seen a lot of pictures on the internet where the arm of the glasses breaks. I think it's happening due to people ordering glasses that are too small for their heads. I could be wrong, but I did have the standard pair or the standard size, and these are large. And thankfully they sell lenses for both sizes, but these are the large glasses, both pairs. And when I did try the standards out, they were extremely tight on my head, and I ended up having to return them. And what I noticed was when I would wear them, they would leave indentations or marks on the side of my head where the arms were. And what my guess is, continuously wearing them with them being pushed out, it's on a weaker point of the glasses, I think it caused damage. So when you're changing these, be very careful. Do not put any pressure on the arms. Your focus is all on the inside of the lens. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this one out. Wow, so I feel like a pro now. Oh, I need to stop doing that. Let's pop this one out and hold it right here in the center. Bam, just like that, we are done. So simple. All right, now that we got that, get us a quick wipe down. All right, now what lenses are we gonna go with? Do I go with the blue or the mirror? I think I am going to go with the gold mirror tint. All right, let's try the golds out, see what they look like. Wow, that is nice. All right, so let's see if we can make sure we get this right this time. And remember, you need to be facing the glasses when you put them in. All right, so let's flip those around. And now I'm going to get it seated. Do the corner first. Once you get it seated, and then you just kind of work your way around the glasses, and then they just pop in. That's it. Bam. Just like that. Let's do the other one. Same thing. Get it right in that corner. Then you just work your way around. Oh, I messed up right there. And that's it. We are officially done. All right, let's get it ready to wipe it down. And Apex has some glass cleaner. I didn't get any of that. I'm just using regular glass cleaner, but definitely suggest getting it from them if you are going to need some glass cleaner. Since they're going to be sending you some lenses anyway, just go ahead and grab some of the cleaner. All right, let's see. And I'm not going to show me putting the blue ones in, but I'll show a video of me with the blue ones in. I'll just change these out, or I may get a third pair. You never know with me. All right. Wow. Yeah, that is a nice look. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put them on. We are ready. Let's see what we got. Wow, how do those look? I'm gonna go outside and see what they look like outside. Oh yeah, those look nice. So we come outside. I guess I'll look directly at the sun. You know what? I mean, they block the sun pretty good. Yeah, these are gonna be great for the Florida sunlight. All right, we are back. I'm just looking at myself on my watch. Yeah, based on what I'm seeing, I am loving these. These look great in the sun. They definitely take care of the sunlight. They look great. I love the way they look. Yeah, it adds a little bit of an exotic look to the glasses versus the regular old, just plain old black lenses or the dark colored lenses. And yeah, I can't wait to see what the blue ones look like. Now I'm just gonna have a hard time deciding, do I want blue or do I want the golden lenses? But honestly, yeah, the gold ones, yeah. I think I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. So yeah, shout out to Apex Lenses for sending me these. I am really happy with these. I'm so happy now I don't have just the regular Ray-Ban lenses, and I'm gonna try out the Blu-ray ones or the blue light blocking ones now and see how they feel while I'm editing this video actually. And I'll just put up a video of me editing. So yeah, I'm truly happy with these. 5 out of 5. The process of changing them, it started out rough, but like anything in life, once you do it a few times, you get the hang of it. I'm basically a pro at changing lenses in Ray-Ban Metas now. So if I can do it, you can do it. All right, check them out. Apex Lenses, link in the description. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.
Yo, these Apex lenses, like right now I'm driving and the sun is shining directly in my car. You see it bouncing off the lenses. I can barely,
red light camera ahead.
Oh, red light camera ahead. But I can barely feel it. Like these glasses, they are way better than the polarized lenses that I had on these glasses originally. Like, man, like I can still see the sun, but it's not affecting my eyes the way it did with the polarized lenses. And I love how the light just bounces off of these lenses. Like, yeah, I love having these lenses in Florida. Like, you can see, man, I look like a model right now. Oh, yeah. Very happy with these lenses. Highly recommend it if you're looking for some replacement lenses for your Ray-Ban Metas.